share with you our Taualuga, ladies and gentlemen. On her head is a tuiātaga. The headpiece represents harmony, good feelings, and peace among everyone. Around her neck is the ula nifo. The necklace is made from the tusks of wild boars collected by brothers and men of the village. These are the bones that are used for the tattoos on the men. The bones that dip in the charcoals, mixed with coconut oil, and hammered to the bodies to record the designs. This is how the ancestors kept the knowledge alive and passed on. Very painful process, that there's a lot of men that die from infection and losing blood. We'd like to say thank you to these young warriors for the courage and strength, commitment to keep the culture alive and pass on to many generations. And tonight, they dance along with the lovely daughter of the chief. Lava, lava, teu Samoa, sulula siapo, ema eu, le mangaia, ia la upeni na malama, wamalie oe, sauia wauleto, vailoto. Ole a seuloa malolo la folia le taula I panua ua le malebo ia patala ia patala amai setala mai le wale sie e wa poi mai lau Yala pele, yala pele, yala pele, yala pele, yala pele, ya emana tu, ole awala emana loa, a esavali, awane ie, toe te paitua. Yala la la, yala la la, yala la la, yala la la, ole pele ni esawia ta, hey, say tau tua ia.